Hello ladies, how are you? Hey, I'm Mandy and we're gonna do a Mother's Day gift today. And I just thought it would be something real simple that you could do. Normally we have our moms and we have our mother-in-laws, and then somewhere in the mix we have the stepmom or the stepmother-in-law, but if that's how you say it. But so we're just going to be inking. I bought these cute little like makeup bags, that has stripes on one side and plain on the other. We're going to work on the striped side, but you could definitely do both sides. I just thought this would be cute and simple, and you could put little gift cards in there for like a spa day, some restaurants, put it in with like some little chocolates. So a little basket of chocolate. So we're just kind of thinking of that, and it's just something they could, keep and kind of think of you next time, every time they saw it. So I'm going to put these to the side, and we're just going to start with one, and we're going to do this little guy 3 different times. And like I said, you could do both sides easily with this, whatever you prefer. So I'm going to start with the striped side and see how it looks. And then if it doesn't come out very, bold, then I'll just flip it over and do the plain side. But so guys, as you're jumping on today, tell me where you're from. Are you prepared for Mother's Day? Do you have your Mother's Day gift yet? But I'm Mandy Ross from Arkansas, and I am Gwen's Foxy Nest, and I'm here to inspire you to have the foxiest nest. And I'm also a Chalk Couture designer. So if anything in here you like, just let me know, and I'll get you my link to my shop. So we're going to use inks today, and guys, this makes it permanent. So we have paste, that. Let me get this out so I don't. Oh, there's one already. I like to always have a wet wipe just in case when I'm working my inks. But forgot what I was saying. So anyway, enjoy. If there's anything you guys would like to see me do, kind of wondering, about a certain transfer, certain project, let me know. I love to take suggestions, and I love doing it my way, and then so you can kind of see how it can be done your way. And so let's just get this on real quick, really fast, really easy, and we're going to see how it turns out. I think it's going to be really cute. One thing I did do before I started is you want to make sure you have like a barrier in between the front and the back. And I just used some paper, but you can also use like parchment paper. We also have ink mats. I just couldn't find the one I had for this project, so I just threw some paper in there. That just kind of keeps the ink from going all the way through to the back side of your project. So there it is, all covered up in ink, and we're going to do the peel and reveal. So, okay, so didn't quite get it on the top there, so no worries. Just put it back down and take your inks and go back over it again. So put that to the side. Always check your fingers and make sure you don't have ink, because this is permanent. So you don't want to mess up your project. So go slow. I didn't get it on the bottom there. Just go slow, and if you see a spot you didn't get, just put it back down and go back over it. I think this ink mat probably would help it have a harder surface, and probably would get better results with it. But we're doing fine. No worries. And it's in my lines, really. So let me go over all my lines and press down really hard on those. Perfect. Okay, now let's see if it's perfect. Ooh, it almost has like an embroidery effect on it. Let me put this right here, and I'll tell you what I'm going to do with that in a minute. But look at that. Isn't that pretty? I like it. So that's our faith one. And guys, I'll let this dry for 24 hours. And then I'll take some parchment paper and put over it. And then I'll take an iron and I'll just go over the design for about 4 minutes. Turn it over and do the same on the back. Just make sure you have your parchment paper in between your iron and the design. But if you have a Cricut Express machine, you heat it up to about 310 and put your parchment on it, and then put your the Cricut Express on top of it and hold it there for about 30 seconds, front and back. And what that does is heat set it, and then it can go in the washer with the rest of your stuff, okay? So that's just gonna kind of hold that open and let that dry. Cute. Okay, let's go back to my transfer. This is reusable, so make sure you take it to the sink and wash it, okay? Just with water. Once you get it washed, you put it, let the sticky side up and it dries, and then you put it back on your backer sheet, and that's how you reuse it. So let's do the next one and see what we think. I'm going to do this one on the back and see which ones we like better. So I'm going to do love on the back here and see if we actually like it, which ones we like better. Okay, I think that's going to work out. And then just remind myself to kind of press hard on it when I'm doing my ink. Okay, and I like to put the ink kind of outside of my design and then smooth it over so it doesn't, I think I just get better results when I do that with my ink instead of putting it right on the design, because sometimes I think it kind of squashes out, right? And these are supposed to come out really clean and crisp. That's why they're the silk screen designs. That's why I love them. And you can create so much with it. So, and this would be, who does smalls? So are you a booth owner looking for like some great little smalls, bread and butter items for like under $20? These would be great as well as Mother's Day gifts. So, and they're easy to create, and you know, just that little something that people, you know, will pick up and come back for more. Little designs. Okay, let's see. So what do you guys want to do for Mother's Day? That's what I want to hear. It's been tough on you mamas this year. My kids are grown and out of the house, so thankfully, I don't know if I would have been able to do it. So I want to know what you mothers really actually want for Mother's Day this year. I would say a week of vacation is what you guys all deserve. Okay, just to go slow and make sure that you know, it gets up, it's on there. If not, just put it back down. That little guy. And make sure your hands are clean. You're not making a mess somewhere else. Let me get some right here. So I can't imagine what you guys have really been going through. Hopefully, you know, some of my moms have said once they kind of got over the initial shock of it, everyone kind of got in their groove and they were fine. But it's time for us all to get out and get back to normal life. So again, I just washed the transfer exactly the same way I did the first one. I'm just sticking it over here until we're finished. So what do you guys think of that one? You like it on the print or on the canvas better? You like it on the plain side or the little stripes side? Isn't that cute? I like the stripes. I don't know. I think this really needed something on the back of it too, so that's really cute. Okay, we're gonna let this dry. And again, we would heat set it the same way. So this will be my first year without my mom. Well, is it my first Mother's Day? Maybe it's my second Mother's Day without my mama. It's my second. She recently just passed away, so we're still getting used to it. So call your mamas, even if they drive you batty crazy. call your mamas because you will miss them. And tell them, tell them Happy Mother's Day. You love them. Get them something a little extra special this Mother's Day. Oh, okay. Let's get this little Hope one on, and we'll see how it turns out. So I'll let it dry for 24 hours and then go from there, and heat set them. Okay, just spreading out my ink, just kind of getting it all over. And just be careful not to, I almost got a blob of it on my, where I didn't want it. So be careful. But have fun. Guys, this is so fun. It's relaxing fun. It's a joy to have a craft that actually works, that actually comes out the way you're expecting it or better. I've been crafting quite a while, and I kind of like to do painted furniture and that kind of stuff, the sign making. And I'm growing. I just know that normally your projects, you start with something in your head, but normally they kind of come up, they take a mind of their own. So, I kind of got used to that and appreciate it. Okay, checking my hands out. Okay, what do you guys think? Let me know. Well, hold on. Let me make sure I got everything before I just tear it off. Oh, it's perfect. Okay, this one is Hope. So, there you go. Okay, I want to know which one do you guys like best? Hope, Love, or, let me put it right here, or Faith. Which one? So I like that transfer comes in a trio, and you can do so many great things with it, guys. It's a perfect size just to kind of add a little touch to a vase, or maybe a picture you got that's kind of plain, but you just need just a little something. Obviously, makeup bags, shirts, bags in general. So these are super cute and obviously super easy for you guys to make. Great gift ideas for Mother's Day. Put you a little gift card in there. Put it in a little basket or bag with some chocolates and wine. So you would be probably pretty set with that. So guys, let me know if you have questions or suggestions. What else do you guys want to see? I want to know what projects you guys are interested in seeing, because that's what I want to do. I love to inspire you guys by doing projects my way, and I love seeing you guys doing, showing me pictures of how you're doing it in your home. So take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.